In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use brushes in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll feel comfortable erasing and restoring parts of an image with precision, all inside a simple, beginner-friendly workflow. Start by opening Adobe Express on your computer. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so your projects and changes sync properly. Once you're in, open the design you want to edit. I'm working with an existing project here, but the process is the same no matter which file you choose. Click the image on your canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles appear around the image. With the image active, look to the tools on the left and choose Erase. This opens the brush controls you'll use to remove parts of the photo. Think of the eraser brush like a digital paintbrush that hides pixels wherever you paint. Before you start brushing, adjust your brush settings for control. A larger brush is fast for broad areas. A smaller brush is better for tight edges and details. If you have options like hardness or feather, a softer edge blends more naturally, while a harder edge gives a crisp cut. Zoom in close on detailed areas so you can see exactly what you're erasing, and pan around the canvas as needed to keep your strokes steady. Now brush directly over the areas you want to erase. Work gradually, using short strokes so you can stop and assess as you go. If you accidentally take out too much, don't worry. This is a non-destructive workflow. You can always undo a stroke, or even better, switch to the Restore option. To bring back something you erased, select Restore Brush from the same panel on the left. This tool lets you paint back the pixels you removed, just like unerasing. Use a small, soft brush for fine edges like hair, product outlines, or intricate details, and a larger brush for bigger areas. Move back and forth between Erase and Restore to refine your edges until the image looks clean and intentional. Take your time to check the perimeter of the subject and any tricky transitions. If your edges look jagged, soften the brush and rework those parts with careful strokes. When everything looks good, you can continue editing your design. Adobe Express typically saves changes automatically so you can close the panel and carry on with confidence. That's it. Open your project, select the image, use Erase to remove what you don't need, and Restore to bring back anything you want to keep. With a bit of patience and smart brush settings, you'll get polished, professional results.